Hi everyone, the Power BI and PowerPoint integration is now generally available. Now let's go to our report. So right now you can see the sales amount by order date and due date. So I'm going to click on it and you're going to see share and get open in PowerPoint. When I click that, you're going to see this, and I can click the link, copy the link, then I go to my PowerPoint. So how do I get here? You click on Insert and Power BI. When you click Power BI, you're going to see, and you're going to post the link, and you click Insert. Can you see it? Very beautiful. So you have also have the data, the time of data update. You also right now have the data insight. There's a data insight AI working within Power BI. So let's click on it, and you can see data options. You can filter, you can refresh, and but this is the data insight. I want you also look at the data insight. Click on data insight, and you can see very beautiful. And do you if you need the data insight, you can paste it on the slide, whereby you can reduce the slide and you can have this working. So now, and this is it. This is very beautiful to see. What do you think about this new integration within Power BI and PowerPoint?